नमस्कार नन्हे दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक। आज हम सीखने जा रहे हैं द पोएम ऊँट चला। इट्स अ ग्रेट फर्स्ट लेसन ऑफ एनसीईआरटी बुक। आपको पता है ऊँट क्या होता है? व्हाट इज ऊँट? ऊँट इज अ कैमल। दे लिव इन अ डेजर्ट विच इज नोन एज रेगिस्तान। It's a beautiful poem composed by Prayag Shukla. He is famous for his writing and poem for children. So let us start with the poem ऊँट चला। ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला, हिलता डुलता ऊँट चला। ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला, हिलता डुलता ऊँट चला। इतना ऊंचा ऊँट चला, ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला। So let us go for the meaning now. The camel walk. The poet here describes about the movement of camel. When the camel walks, it shakes, and at the same time he also says the camel is long and tall, and it keeps on walking and shaking with its long and tall structure. Let's start with the second one. ऊंची गर्दन ऊंची पीठ, पीठ उठाए ऊँट चला। ऊंची गर्दन ऊंची पीठ, पीठ उठाए ऊँट चला। Let's go for the meaning now. Here the poet refers to the unique feature of camel having high neck, which means ऊंची गर्दन, and high back, which means ऊंची पीठ. And the camel keeps on walking with its high neck and high back. Here comes the third one. बालू है तो होने दो, बालू है तो होने दो, बोझ ऊँट को ढोने दो। Let us learn the meaning now. Here we go. If there is a sand, let it be. It does not affect the camel. He can walk with loads on his back, even though he is walking on sand. नहीं फंसेगा बालू में. Here the poet says, नहीं फंसेगा बालू में, बालू में भी ऊँट चला. Let us go for the meaning now. The poet here goes on to say that the camel will not get stuck into the sand even though it is walking on sand, as it has cushioned feet to prevent them from sinking into the sand. Isn't that interesting to know? Here goes for the next para. जब थक कर बैठेगा ऊँट, किस करवट बैठेगा ऊँट? It's a time to think. Now let me give you the meaning first. Here the poet puts an interesting note for us to find out, as when the camel gets tired, on which side will it turn to sit? Isn't that interesting? So let's go to the last one. बता सकेगा कौन भला? Yes, बता सकेगा कौन भला? ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला. Here the poet wants to say, is there anyone who can tell this? Finally, the poet ends with the starting note. Camel is walking, brother, camel is walking. ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful poem. It's a very easy and beautiful, lovely poem for kids. Thank you everyone. Dhanyavad. We will be back with another poem and lesson soon.